Hello students, good morning to all. Today's topic genetic disorders and types of genetic disorders. So let us start. So here first point, genetic disorders are defects that are caused by defective genes or chromosomal aberrations and anomalies. Genetic disorders are defects that are caused by defective genes or chromosomal aberrations and anomalies. So, what is the reason for the genetic disorder? There is any type of changes or takes place in the chromosomes or genes and complete set of chromosomes, it causes genetic disorders, right? So, genetic disorders are defects that are caused by defective genes or chromosomal aberrations and anomalies. Okay, second point. Genetic disorders are of two types are heredity disorders, that is chromosomal disorders. So there is a two different types of the genetic disorders are there. So those are heredity disorders and chromosomal disorders. So first one heredity disorders and second type is chromosomal disorders. So heredity disorders are also called gene disorders. Chromosomal disorders are also called syndromes. So chromosomal disorders are non-heredity. That point you should remember. Okay. So genetic disorders are of two types: hereditary disorders and chromosomal disorders. Hereditary disorders are gene disorders, and chromosomal disorders are also called syndromes, and these are non-hereditary disorders, right? So that I explained in flow chart, right? So let us discuss flow chart. Genetic disorders, two different types: gene disorders and chromosomal disorders. Gene disorders are also called hereditary disorders. Chromosomal disorders are also called syndromes. The gene disorders are majorly two different types. Those are autosomal disorders, autosomal gene disorders, and allosomal gene disorders. Two different types of the gene disorders. And autosomal gene disorders means uh, in our body there is two different types of the chromosomes. So already we discussed it. So some are autosomes, 22 pairs autosomes and one pair allosomes. In autosome, any type of genes or changes that takes place, though such type of the gene disorder is called autosomal gene disorders. And allosomal means any type of genes changes takes place in the allosomes. That type of the disorders are called allosomal gene disorders, right? So allosomes means XY in males and XX in females. We know that earlier we discussed, right? So autosomal gene disorders again divided into two different types, that is dominant autosomal gene disorders and the recessive autosomal gene disorders. Whether the disorder related to dominant type or recessive type. So based on the dominant and recessive autosomal, again divided into two different types: dominant autosomal gene disorders and recessive autosomal gene disorders, right? And allosomal gene disorders. Gene disorders also two different types: dominant and recessive. Dominant allosomal gene disorders, recessive allosomal gene disorders, right? And next one, chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders again two different types: autosomal and allosomal. Autosomal means autosome chromosomes, any type of changes, and in allosomes any type of changes are there. That is allosomal disorders or allosomal chromosomal disorders. Those are called syndromes, and these are non-hereditary. Whenever non-hereditary is there, then there is no dominant and recessive, further not classified, because it is not transferred from one generation to another generation. Chromosomal disorders or syndromes are not transferred from one generation to another generation. So that these are uh, non-hereditary, and these are divided into only two different types: autosomal and allosomal. Okay, after this clear, once again I am revising from first point. Genetic disorders are defects that are covered by defective gene or chromosomal aberrations and anomalies. So by that chromosomal aberrations, there is changes or takes place. It causes genetic. It leads to genetic disorders. And second point, the genetic disorders are two types, two different types majorly. That is hereditary disorders are also called gene disorders, and second one chromosomal disorders are also called syndromes, right? So in the flow chart, genetic disorders majorly two different types. Gene disorders are also called hereditary disorders, and next one chromosomal disorders are also called syndromes. So gene disorders are two different types, that is autosomal and allosomal, divided into two different types: autosomal gene disorders and allosomal gene disorders. Based on presented, so what type of the genes are presented? So dominant or recessive. Based on that, autosomal again divided into two different types and allosomal again divided into two different types. Dominant autosomal gene disorders, recessive autosomal gene disorders, and as like that, dominant allosomal gene disorders, recessive allosomal gene disorders, right? And next one, chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders again divided into two different types: autosomal syndromes and allosomal syndromes. These are non-hereditary, so that further not classified into dominant and recessive. Up to this clear? Right. Next point, point number 3, gene disorders which follow Mendelian inheritance are called gene disorders, or Mendelian disorders are also called hereditary disorders. The disorders which follow Mendelian inheritance, because what is the reason? Whenever these type of disorders are transfers to carry forward to the next generation, mm, so that this is called Mendelian disorders, are also called gene disorders, are also called hereditary disorders. Gene disorders are Mendelian disorders or hereditary disorders because of whatever the disease, which is whatever the disease of the parents carry forward to the next generations, right, in F1 or F2, whatever it may be. Next one, fourth point, gene disorders due to defective genes. The gene disorders, what is that? What is the reason for gene disorders? Due to the defective of the genes, that is caused gene disorders. Fifth point, chromosomal disorders due to chromosomal aberrations or ploidy changes. So chromosomal disorders due to what? Chromosomal aberrations, changes in the chromosomes, or ploidy changes. So what is ploidy? So aneuploidy and polyploidy, earlier we discussed, there is chromosome changes or complete set of the chromosomes or takes place that causes chromosomal disorders. And sixth point important, that is chromosomal disorders are non-hereditary disorders. Chromosomal disorders are non-hereditary and gene disorders are hereditary, so that disorders are called Mendelian disorders, right? Once again I am revising these points. Point number third, gene disorders which follow Mendelian inheritance are called gene disorders or Mendelian disorders or hereditary disorders. In the genetic disorders which follow the Mendelian concepts, Mendelian inheritance, that is called gene disorders, are also called Mendelian disorders, are also called hereditary disorders. And gene disorders are due to defective of the genes, and these are hereditary. And chromosomal disorders due to what? Chromosome, the fifth point, chromosomal disorders due to chromosomal aberrations or ploidy changes. Ploidy changes is nothing but aneuploidy or polyploidy. So is there any chromosome added, extra added, or chromosome deleted, removed, or lost? So that is called polyploidy changes. So by that chromosomal disorders occurs, and chromosomal disorders are non-hereditary, right? Up to this clear? So in next class we will discuss about so what are the gene disorders and what are the chromosomal disorders. So what are the autosomal allosomal gene disorders, and what are autosomal allosomal syndromes? The names of syndromes and names of gene disorders we will discuss in next class. Up to this clear? Right. Thank you very much. Bye bye.